Yes. What is your name, mister?
My name is Abdullah.
Abdullah, you will see here. Okay? Okay, Abdullah, how are you?
I am fine.
You are fine? Ah, very good, mashallah. Okay, Abdullah, what is your father name?
My father name is Sada.
What?
My father name is Muhammad Akram.
Ah, Muhammad Akram. And what is your mother name?
My mother name is Sada.
Okay, okay, very good. And okay, tell me, are you listening me?
Yes.
Okay. Who is your creator?
My creator is Allah.
Allah, mashallah. Okay, very good. And what is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
Islam. No, you will see here. Not you will see to me. Okay, you will not see here and there. You will see me. Okay. Now tell me, what is the name of our country?
My country name is Pakistan.
Pakistan. Okay. How many seasons are there in Pakistan?
4 seasons.
4 seasons. Very good. Which is cold season? Yeah.
2.
Which is cold season? Very good.
Ilama.
Oh, no. Okay, no, it's wrong. Okay, where are you from?
From Daska.
Oh, very good. Okay, tell me, have you pencil?
Yes.
Okay, nice. Okay, tell me, Abdullah, how many prayers?
5 years.
5 prayers, very good. Are you feeling better today?
Yes.
Okay, nice, very good. Nice. Now tell me, how many colors in our national flag?
2 color.
Oh, very good. Which color too?
Ilama.
No. What do you mean by lam?
White.
White and green.
White.
White and green. Yes. White and green. Okay. Who is our national poet?
Ilama.
Yes.
Ball.
Illama Iqbal is our national. And who is the founder? Okay, now tell me, Abdullah, who is the founder of Pakistan? Sorry, Ibrahim. Who is the founder of Pakistan? Qaid Azam. And who is the national poet? Illama Iqbal. Okay. And what is the name of our country?
My country name is Pakistan.
Pakistan. बाजू ऐसे पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद. इधर देखो भाई, मेरी तरफ देखो ना. आप किसको उधर देख रहे हो? अल्लामा इकबाल को. ओके. Again tell me, what is your mother name?
My mother name is
And father name?
My father name is Abdullah.
अल्ताफ हुसैन बलगन. क्या? What is your father name, please? Balagan. Okay. And what is your religion?
My religion is Islam.
Islam. Okay, very good. Where are you from?
From Daska.
From Daska. Okay, tell me, how many seasons are there in Pakistan? 4 seasons. Very good. Okay, tell me. And which is cold season? Winter. Very good, Ibrahim. Zabardast. Okay. Now you will tell me what you tell me now. Okay, tell me what is your favorite color?
Yellow.
Yellow, mashallah. And what is our national poet? Illama Iqbal. Well done, Ibrahim. Very good. Okay, salute and go. Very good. Please go. Thank you very much. Yes, go. Anyone else?
No.
Okay.